We are experiencing a truly global pandemic. Since the first coronavirus case was reported to the World Health Organization in December 2019, the virus has reached almost every country of the world. Its rapid spread has already had profound health, social and economic impacts globally. It has caused disruption to people, communities, businesses, health systems and economies. And things are likely to get worse before they get better. We will only win this battle with a coordinated global response. And therefore, we need to support our partners. Africa could experience the same problems that we are facing in Europe in a matter of weeks. They need our help to slow down the spread of the virus as we needed help in this crisis. It is in our interest to ensure that the fight is successful worldwide. And this is why the European Union is securing more than 15 billion euros to help our partners worldwide to fight coronavirus. And more money will come from our national governments in a true Team Europe spirit. This could help cover immediate needs in the health sector, and it should also support the economy in these countries to keep people in jobs. The European Union stands ready to coordinate a strong international response to the pandemic. We can defeat this virus by standing united and working together.